In this video, you will learn how to get Zoho API Key. First, visit the Zoho Developer console and log in with your Zoho account credentials. Then, if you do not have an account, create one. After that, create a new Zoho application. Once logged in, click on Add Client or Create New Client. Choose Web-based application or another appropriate type based on your needs. Enter the necessary details like application name, redirect URL, and other required fields. Click Create to generate a new client. Obtain client ID and client secret. After creating the client, you'll be given a client ID and client secret. These are necessary for authenticating and generating an API key. Generate the access token. You will need to use the OAuth 2.0 flow to generate an access token. Go to the OAuth settings in the developer console and set up the necessary scope for your API access. Use the authorization URL to authenticate your account and generate an access token. Use the access token. Once you have the access token, you can now make an API request to the Zoho servers by including your API request header. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.